The rules for multiplication and division of trigonometric expressions are the same as for polynomials. We're going to multiply 2 cosine theta by 4 cosine square theta. 2 times 4 is 8. And we add the exponent. Cosine theta times cosine square theta is cosine cubed theta. Negative 5 times 3, negative 15. Sine cube x times sine 4x, sine 7x. Sine a plus cosine a times sine a minus cosine a. Difference of two perfect squares. Sine squared a minus cosine squared a. 2 sine x times 2 sine x plus 3. 2 times 2 is 4. Sine x times sine x, we add the exponent. Sine squared x. And 2 sine x times 3, 6 sine x. Negative 2 secant theta times negative 4 secant 3 theta. Negative 2 times negative 4 positive 8. Secant theta and secant 3 theta are not like terms, so we should not combine them. We get 8 secant theta times secant 3 theta. To divide exponents with the same base, we subtract the exponent. We'll get sine 6 minus 4, which is 2. So sine squared x. 10, 8 minus 5, which is 3. 10 cubed a times cosine 7 minus 2, which is 5b. 10 cubed a times cosine 5b. Cotangent cube over cotangent squared. 3 minus 2 is 1. We get cotangent 4 theta. Cosine 4 beta over cosine cube beta. 4 minus 3, 1. Cosine beta. Cosine cube 2 beta over cosine 2 beta. 3 minus 1, 2. Cosine squared 2 beta. 20 tan y plus 15 sine y divided by 5 is equal to 20 tan y over 5 plus 15 sine y over 5. 20 over 5 is 4. Therefore, we get 4 tan y plus 15 over 5 is 3. 3 sine y. We're going to use the same method we use in algebra to factor trigonometric expressions. Sine square theta minus sine theta. Sine theta is the greatest common factor. We get sine theta times sine theta minus 1. 6 cosine squared alpha plus 2 cosine cubed alpha is equal to 2 cosine squared alpha is the greatest common factor. We're left with 3 plus cosine alpha. Tan squared a plus tan squared a sine a. 10 squared A is the greatest common factor. We are left with 1 plus sine A. And sine squared t minus 9, difference of two perfect squared. Sine squared is sine t times sine t plus 3 minus 3, difference of two squares. Secant A cosecant B plus secant squared A cosecant A. Secant A is the greatest common factor. We're left with cosecant B plus secant A cosecant